Confused between 4 GB, 8 GB, or 16 GB graphics cards? Let's break down all GPU memory sizes in just 3 minutes. VRAM, or video memory, controls how smooth your games and graphics run. But more gigabytes doesn't always mean better performance. 2 GB and 4 GB graphics cards are now outdated. They can run old games or basic tasks, but struggle with modern titles. 6 GB GPUs are still usable for budget gaming, especially at 1080p medium settings, but they're slowly becoming outdated. 8 GB is the most common today, perfect for 1080p high settings, but some newer games are already pushing its limits. 12 GB is the sweet spot in 2026. It handles modern games easily and gives you future-proof performance. 16 GB and above is for serious gamers and creators, perfect for 4K gaming, video editing, and even AI tasks. 24 GB and beyond is extreme, used in AI, 3D rendering, and professional workloads, not necessary for most gamers. So, what should you choose? 8 GB minimum, 12 GB best value, and 16 GB for future-proofing.